Oh, shoot. Hey, I'm making this video because there's a crazy storm coming outside. Come in. Oh, see this? It's blowing like crazy. Well, not like crazy. When I first came in there on the bus, all black. Say it's supposed to rain today. And it's not that bad than I thought it was going to be. Come on, Mika. Come on. Fine, don't go. Let me check the front yard. See a little bit wind blowing. Our flag is blowing like crazy. You could see the little, you could barely see it, but you could see the little thing blasting off, and you could see the for sale sign. You could see the little Christmas thing that's supposed to be taken down a long time ago. Yeah. And usually if it gets really windy, the windows would start, the windows like around these windows and some of them in the dining room would shake like it was an earthquake, including my room. That it happens every night, and it's one of my greatest pet peeves. Come on out. Mika, come on out. Okay, want a treat? Come here. Want some treat? I'm giving her a treat. Sit. Nah. Sit. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Good girl. Okay.